Hi guys, and welcome to another video. It's been about 2 weeks since last update. This one's, it's not rushed, but it's semi-rushed how I put it together. Been quite busy with a lot of plans and stuff behind the scenes as such, which you might be like, oh, what have you got planned and all that sort of thing. Well, that's what we're here to show you today. We're going to pan round this way. And we've got a garage now. Mind your step, Craig. He's all good. Just make sure he doesn't fall over. Yeah, we've got a garage. I would take you for a tour inside. We can kind of get close-ish and give you a little verbal overview. We've been painting this. I will insert said clips some point in the video. I'm going to insert them now actually, so you'll see the couple of days of us painting this now. So bam. Yeah, so you're back now. So you've seen the clips. This was basically a raw building, just unpainted, and we've been spending the last week painting it before I've released it because I don't want it to be boring looking. I mean, I thought I'd insert the little clips of painting it, but you don't want to spend the next whatever long watching us paint because that's boring and I don't enjoy painting. So I believe it's 58 metres square, is that correct, Craig?
Yeah.
58 metres square, so
it'll take a metre or two.
It's about that. If you don't know how big that is, it's self-explanatory. It's that big, you can see it, but if you can't quite grasp it, you fit 2 cars in and you've got loads of space at the back. You could fit technically 3, you could put one in the middle. Don't think we'll do that, but the option's there if we need to. Russell Hobbs fridge, thanks Ian from Webtech for that. Yeah. It's a lot of stuff that we need to acquire, such as racking and benches and tools and all that stuff. But you're along for the ride. This is something that me and the lads have been wanting for a long time. Now we've got it. It's just getting everything sorted. So it's like moving out, but we're not moving out. But there's a lot of stuff to do. And I'm going to bring you along for the ride of progressing it. I just wanted to get this out here of we've got it, because I'll probably post this on my socials, like pictures of it. But now you've got like the full inside / information on it, I suppose. This is, if you're interested in what's going to be here car-wise, the 350 will be here, and then the S15 will be on the other side. And it'll kind of be based on, we'll have a side each kind of thing. Craig will have a memorial wall of whatever stuff, we'll call it, he wants to put on the wall. I'll put broken car parts. I'll put some shit here. The back wall will be for whatever. We're going to have like a bit of a sitting area probably just for Gebbie because he wants to sit down a lot. But it should be good. I'm very excited. I don't think it comes across as I'm excited, but I'm very excited. This is going to be great. I'm going to cut it short because there's not too much I can add, because all you can see is a building, and you don't want to just see a building, you want to see stuff in it, us doing stuff. But this is just kind of an introduction of, wow, we've got a building. So now you know. Thanks for watching. There's something really cool. This isn't the only surprise. We've got more surprises coming next week, which I'm so excited about to see, and I'll show you as such. But yeah, thanks for watching. Until next week's video, where there's a new surprise, and you'll get update on this because we would have moved stuff in by then, and it'll not be empty. This is the only time you probably see this empty. So thanks for watching. Until later, guys. Adios.